Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. This might be one of the most efficient SEO workflows you'll see right now, and it's built entirely on two free tools, NotebookLM and Google AI Studio. The idea is simple, but the execution is powerful. With just three prompts, you can go from zero research to a fully built SEO optimized landing page in minutes. We're talking about compressing what normally takes days, keyword research, content planning, and page building into a single streamlined process. Let's break it down how it works and why it matters. First, Notebook LM. Think of it as a focus AI that only works with information you give it. Instead of pulling random data from across the internet, like most AI tools, it analyzes your uploaded sources like PDFs, articles, YouTube links, notes, and builds response basically only on that material. That's a big deal for SEO. It means the output isn't generic or guess based, it's grounded, specific, and aligned with real content you've chosen. Now pair that with Google AI Studio. This is where things get practical. AI Studio takes your prompts and turns them into real outputs, landing pages, interactive elements, even working web layouts. So you don't need to code. You just describe what you want and it builds it. So if Notebook LM is the thinking part, AI Studio is the execution part. So together they cover the entire SEO workflow. Now here's where the three prompt system comes in. Prompt 1 is all about research. You start by telling Notebook LM exactly what kind of sources to find, not just broad topics, but specific angles like case studies, tutorials, recent insights, high quality examples. This trains the AI to filter low value content and focus only on useful material. Now, what you get back is essentially a condensed research database. Instead of digging through dozens of tabs, you have a clean, curated summary of the best information in your niche. And the best part, this works in any niche. Just swap out the keywords, whether it's fitness, real estate, SaaS, or local services, the structure stays the same. Prompt 2 is where strategy happens. Using the sources you've already gathered, you ask Notebook LM to create a content breakdown. This includes hooks, key talking points, SEO keywords, audience pain points, and a clear explanation of the topic. What you're getting here isn't just ideas, it's a blueprint. So the hooks grab attention, the keywords align with search intent, the pain points reflect what people are actively searching for. This is the part most people overlook. Those pain points, they're basically real search queries. When you turn them into headings or FAQ sections, you're directly matching what users are typing in Google. You can take it a step further by asking the AI to rank those keywords from easiest to hardest. That gives you a clear execution part. So start with low competition wins, build traction, and gradually move toward more competitive terms. This alone can save weeks of trial and error. Then comes prompt 3, the build phase. So at this point, you ask Notebook LM to generate a detailed prompt for Google AI Studio. This prompt includes everything like layout structure, design style, features, SEO copy, and technical elements like responsiveness and interactivity. Once you take that prompt into AI Studio and run it, you get an actual landing page. Not just text, but a working page with structure, design, and content already in place. And here's where a small tweak makes a big difference. If you had instructions like using proper heading tags like H1 for the main keyword, H2s for supporting terms, you're instantly improving how search engines understand the page. You can add schema markup like FAQs or breadcrumbs, and you increase your chances of getting rich results in search. These are small details, but they compound. Now, why does this workflow work so well? Because it aligns with what Google actually prioritizes. First is speed. So, pages built through AI Studio are typically clean and lightweight, which helps with load time, especially on mobile. Second is structure. So, proper headings and organized content make it easier for search engines to crawl and understand your page. Third is content quality. Since everything is based on curated research from Notebook LM, the content is relevant, focused, and aligned with the real user intent. That combination is hard to beat. But here's an important reality check here. AI can handle the heavy lifting, but it doesn't replace strategy. You can generate dozens, even hundreds of pages quickly, but if those pages aren't targeting the right keywords, addressing real intent, or supported by backlinks, they won't perform. That's where human input still matters. The real advantage is using AI to remove the busy work so you can focus on what actually moves rankings, like choosing the right topics, going deeper than competitors, and building authority through links. If you're going to use this workflow effectively, keep a simple checklist in mind after generating a page. So make sure your main keyword is clearly placed in the H1 with a strong meta description that gives people a reason to click, and most importantly, build backlinks. So when you put it all together, the system is straightforward. So prompt 1 gathers high quality research, prompt 2 turns that research into a strategic content plan, prompt 3 transforms that plan into a functional optimized page. So 3 steps, 1 continuous workflow. And that's it. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.
Introducing Cloud Funnels 2. Build high profit, AI powered sales funnels, landing pages, opt in pages, business sites, and more in just a few clicks. Create great landing pages with drag and drop WYSIWYG Builder. Inbuilt autoresponder. Grab leads, sales, and send your emails automatically. SEO optimized. Unlock your best ranking potential with complete SEO optimization features. Dozens of free plugins. Save $100 on plugins that get you more leads, sales, and profits. Supports global payment gateways. GDPR and data compliance. Cloud Funnels is available in 17 languages. Secure and 100% control over data. Create multiple funnels. Why make one funnel when you can make many? Create funnels on subdomains and subfolders too. Business analytics at your fingertips. Detailed sales and funnel analytics help you get better marketing results. Dozens of third-party integrations. CloudFunnels protects your profits by keeping your running costs low. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get CloudFunnels 2 now. Just go to yournextfunnel.in.